Project HydroChain, which mainly focuses on generation and authentication and utilization of green hydrogen. We have made an interactive platform for both seller and buyers so they can communicate transparently and securely. Our project is made on implementation of blockchain and backend server communication, which also includes a useful UI and UX that helps buyer and seller to interact with each other. Now let's have a look on README file. We know that README files are very important in any project because it contains every information about the project in concise manner and a readable manner. First, let's see we have used Node.js and Express.js backend for managing blockchain-based green hydrogen credits. Some of the features of our site is first is RESTful APIs for green hydrogen credit management, Ethereum integration using ethers.js, smart contract interaction for mining and managing credits, comprehensive logging system with Winston for support for cross-origin requests. We have also handled every error that is possible with detailed error responses. Security middleware with Helmet, transaction event monitoring for blockchain activities. Uh, some of the features are also कि जब 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 क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर होगा तो ब्लॉकचेन में ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो जाएगा and it will also use .sol files for that. Architecture of project is like index.js that was main application and entry point of the project. Middleware, logger.js, error handlers, services that we are offering. There are multiple files and services, controllers, routers, utils, logs, etc. etc. There are hundreds of files that we are using in architecture. We can't show everything here. Starting the tour of website that is made, let's have a look on the technology stack that we have used for the full project. First of all, we have used blockchain technology that was mandatory to use because we need full transparency and immutability in this project. Second is backend and APIs. This layer connects the front end to the blockchain and handles the business logic. We have used frameworks like Node.js and Python Flask, Django, that is ideal for building a server-side application. We have used RESTful APIs that will be used to allow different parts of system to communicate securely. So APIs are basically for good communication. We have used traditional databases like SQL and NoSQL that was needed for store of chain. Uh, Front-end part was made with React, Angular, Vue.js that was perfect for model responsive sites, data integration and securities to ensure system is trustworthy or not. Oracles that server like Chainlink is essential for securing. The last one is secured cloud storage. We have used a cloud storage like AWS S3 or Google Cloud Storage to securely store large file like official certificates and audit reports. Audit reports and certificate includes the certification that was provided from government to the respected suppliers. No suppliers can supply the hydrogen without certification and audit reports. Data encryption was also done. प्रोजेक्ट का टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक देख लिया है. Now we can see the website that has been made. Website includes following functionalities like dashboard, issue credits, view credits. We can see transaction here. We can see contact info of recipient and buyer. We can also see the example ID of a demo. Here we are using a demo ID. डैशबोर्ड इंक्लूड्स फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज. डैशबोर्ड शो कर रहा है हमें थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें कि टोटल क्रेडिट्स कितने हैं, टोटल ट्रांजैक्शन रिसेंटली कितने हुए हैं. We can also perform some quick actions from here. We can perform tasks like we can issue credits from here. We need to हमें डालना पड़ेगा recipient address and how much volume the issuer is asking for, and we can issue the credits here. We can also see a thing here. Okay, let's see about hydrogen credits. Each credit represents a specific volume of green hydrogen in kgs. Credits are minted as non-fungible tokens (NFTs) on blockchain. Only authorized issuer can mint new credits. Credits can be transferred between address like any other NFT. All transactions are recorded in blockchain for transparency. We will move back. We can also see transaction that has been done here. There are three type of transaction. First is credit issued. Credit issued means the uh, supplier has issued credits for their buyers. जब हम क्रेडिट इशू करते हैं तो वो जो पुराने क्रेडिट्स है वो बर्न हो जाते हैं और नए क्रेडिट जो बायर को देते हैं वो ब्लॉकचेन में स्टोर हो जाते हैं और वो कभी गायब नहीं हो सकते। तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी फुल रहती है। क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर्ड मीन्स seller has transferred this much credit to the buyer. We can see 500 kgs of hydrogen was transferred from ID this to this. Block number is also mentioned here and timestamp for we can track the record of when the credits were transferred and all. We also had a transaction hash code. Uh, Third one is credit burned. We can see how much credits are burned. The information will again send to the blockchain and it's stored for we cannot delete it and we can transparently see the program. Buyers के लिए credits कैसे issue करेगा? तो seller को first of all recipient address डालना पड़ेगा and then volume that how much hydrogen is needed and he will be able to issue credits. Let's see something about green hydrogen credits. Each credit represents a specific volume of green hydrogen that is in kilograms. Credits are minted as non-fungible tokens on blockchain. Only authorized issuer can mint new credits. We need to the issuer need to be certified by government sites. Credits can be transferred between addresses like any other on NFT. All transactions are recorded on blockchain for transparency. So you can see that there is full transparency on this website. देख लेते हैं वर्कफ्लो ऑफ द फुल प्रोजेक्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर्टिफिकेशन। जो भी कंपनीज है जो हाइड्रोजन बना रही है वो लोग को सर्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को कि वी आर मेकिंग ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन। और जो गवर्नमेंट्स है वो सर्टिफाई करेंगी बाय ऑडिटिंग देयर एंड check the quality and check the process of making hydrogen. If the company surpasses the all needs, the companies are getting certified or else the companies are not listed. After certification, companies can list on our website that has been made. Companies can sell their hydrogen. Companies will have their unique IDs. Buyers will have their unique IDs. When a company sells some amount of hydrogen to buyers, the company have to give credits to the buyers that will be stored in blockchain again. And when buyers burn out the some part of hydrogen, uh, the blockchain also updates with that. Okay, so and then the process has been completed. So after all of this, I just want to tell one thing that we have tried our best to give this project. We have tried to accomplish everything that was needed in this project, and I hope we have done it very well. Thank you so much.